Let's talk to Craig Erlam. He's a senior market analyst for Anda. Morning to you, Craig.
Morning.
Right, let's talk crude oil. You've sent a chart. What are your latest thoughts? Brent crude. What's the front month on this as a matter of interest?
So this is our contract. So this is an amalgamation of, I think, the first 2 or 3 months to create a price on our charts.
Understood.
And so I guess it's most similar to the front month contract. So yeah, I mean, I just think it's quite interesting at the moment. We've broken through that $50 a barrel level. I think that was helped a lot last week by the inventory numbers. We had the API number, which showed a 10 million drawdown, and then the EIA number, which was closer to 7. It came at the same time that there was an article about Saudi Arabia on Bloomberg, which was interesting, that they'd actually reduced exports to the US over the last 6 weeks, and it was speculated that the reason for that was the market's paying far too much attention to US inventories and not enough attention to what everyone else in the rest of the world is doing from a production perspective. The idea being that if they can reduce inventories to the US, draw on their reserves, then maybe the market will stand up and pay a bit more attention. But then the API number last night showed us a small increase in inventory. So we had the breakthrough 50, and then you can see that nice big red candle there. I think it's going to be very interesting what EIA report today, because as long as it holds above 50 after the EIA number, it would suggest we're back in that 50-55 range. But a bad EIA number today could take it back below 50. And then I guess it's at 48 from there, because we're still in this series of higher highs and lows. So from a technical standpoint, at least, this still looks quite bullish in the short term. But I think the EIA number is going to play a big part. And then, of course, we'll see what the future inventory numbers say. But at the moment, there's no reason not to be bullish, and 50 is that first support.
Understood. Craig, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.